Hello and welcome to 7634 Morning Mist Cir, Trotwood, Ohio. Here we're standing out front taking a look at the house from the front yard looking up. We have fresh paint on the exterior of the home. This is all wood siding on the outside, 2-car garage, and first thing, the neighborhood. It's just a small little neighborhood and it's surrounded by farm fields, and literally in the backyard it's all woods in the backyard. So great neighborhood here, and just seems like a little town in the country, but great setting. Next, let's go take a look at the inside. All right, so here we just came through the front door. Immediately to your right upon entering is a coat closet, and that has an updated 6-panel door in here. Walking through our entry here, we have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom to our left. And then our living room, kitchen, dining area over here, and the owner's suite bedroom over there. We'll check out the first 2 bedrooms on this side of the house. This is, we'll say, bedroom number 1. This is on the front left of the house. This window overlooks the front yard here. And we do have opening if you wanted to put closet doors on there to bifold or sliding doors. Right now there's nothing, it's kind of just open. The TV wall mount behind the TV will stay. Again, another updated 6-panel door. This is a linen closet to my left right here. And then we have another linen closet here to the left as well. Our guest bathroom looks like we have an updated vanity toilet, and that is a shower tub, and that is all tiled with subway tile. New door on that as well. This is our kind of mechanical room. This is where our updated high efficiency furnace is, and our water heater is as well. Bedroom number 2, this is on the back left of the home, so that overlooks the backyard. TV wall mount will stay. This is all luxury vinyl tile in here. And the shelves over here do stay, so this would make a great office for somebody. It's updated 6-panel door. And this one does have double bifold doors here. And then coming down the hallway, again, we have an attic access going up. There's the entry where we started. And then coming into the living room, kind of great room area. This is a sun tube, so that is all natural light that comes from that right there. The TV wall mount here will stay as well. This is a gas fireplace, gas log fireplace. Doors going to the back deck. We'll look that over here shortly. That's our owner's suite. And then our dining area right here, and room to put a bigger table there if you need it. Also plenty of room in the kitchen to put an island or make it an eat-in kitchen, breakfast area as well. This is a overlapping bar top right here, so you could definitely put some bar stools. Have some nice storage underneath here as well. All of the appliances do stay. So we have that GE fridge, Frigidaire range, GE microwave, and a Maytag dishwasher. All stainless steel stay. This butcher's rack will stay. The pots and pans won't, but the pot rack will stay. This is a big pantry here. These racks will stay. This door takes us to our 2-car garage. And then we have another coat closet slash pantry here as well. So good amount of storage. And then our laundry room here. Everything in here pretty much stays. The cabinets here, the folding table, wall cabinets, the washer and dryer, and these shelves over here. So great amount of storage for a laundry room. I mean, really for this house, there's just tons of storage here. And walking through here, we're gonna take a look at the outside here momentarily. Right now, we're gonna take a look at the owner's suite. So split floor plan, good sized bedroom here. This is on the back right of the home if you're looking at it from the street. So you're overlooking the backyard. Huge vanity space here. If you needed a double vanity, you have plenty of room to put a double vanity. This is a walk-in closet, and it goes from here all the way back there. So big closet, walk-in shower here. It looks like we have a toilet with the bidet, and again, a good amount of space, tons of storage space, ceramic tile in here. And then, I'm trying to think, I missed a sun tube somewhere because we have 2 sun tubes, so I have to find that. Oh, here we go. So we have the sun tube right there and the sun tube right there as well. And then going out to the backyard, let's open this up and take a look. The deck was just painted. Neighborhood felines running around. But as you can see back here, where I'm like, it's like being in your own little park-like setting here. This is all addition. The reason there's a line here is because this was added on to make the deck bigger. But as you can see, very much a park-like setting back here. Property line goes to the center of that kind of little culvert over there. Just a fantastic house. And one thing to point out, at the time of shooting this video, the house is occupied. But once this goes live and on the market, any furniture that is in the house can stay with the house or it can be taken out. So a very nice feature. So not what you think of when I came out here. I'm like, this little private neighborhood is just adorable. It's like a quaint little beach town is kind of what it feels. But if you have any questions about this home, or if you'd like to see it in person, feel free to give me a call or give your realtor a call. I'm sure they'd be happy to show you this fine home. Thanks for watching.